So, good evening to all, or good morning. I don't know at what time you are seeing this video or watching this video. During our group discussion and in the odds, maximum odds was given to the option that I need to compare the rubric besides himself and violent effects from Patak repertory. So, first we will understand why it is needed to compare both of these rubrics. So we see the many of cases where patients are having tremendous and violent pains, or they are in very much distress, as in like conditions of acute renal colic or intestinal intussusception or gall colic, or you can see in acute appendicitis also, then in torsion of testes or a torsion of ovaries, then ruptured what we can say ruptured ectopic pregnancy. These are common clinical conditions where we see the tremendous pain patient is going through. So uh, these rubrics can be taken rightly, or there are maximum chances we may go wrong while selecting any of these rubrics. So this is my small attempt to compare these two rubrics as per my knowledge and experience. I will like if you comment below the video, and like and subscribe my channel, and uh, spread it to maximum homeopaths or the lovers of homeopathy. You can send me message to join my WhatsApp group, which is dedicated only to Phatak repertory, on my number 9270118140. So let's start when we use besides himself and violent effects. So both of these rubrics now they are used on physical plane and mental plane also. So first we will see besides himself. So it is nothing but any problem, physical or mental situation, which cannot be tolerated by patients. Patient will say like this. Uh, I will tell in Hindi, which is more comfortable for me to explain. ये तकलीफ़ मुझसे सहन नहीं हो रही है, या फिर तकलीफ़ से मैं मरा जा रहा हूँ, ये मेरे बर्दाश्त के बाहर है, इस तरह से पेशेंट आपको बोलेगा. एंड इफ़ यू सी इन दिस रूब्रिक द ट्रायो ऑफ पेन रेमेडीज दैट इज described by Dr. Nash. So we can see Aconite, Chamomilla and Coffea in higher marks under this rubric. So you may get the thing when to use besides himself. Besides himself में क्या होता है ना कि patient is having intolerable pains, and it does not necessary that he is having pain suddenly or violently. It is not necessary in this rubric. But while we are using violent effects, now we are discussing violent effects rubrics, when to use that. Here also the tremendous intolerable pains are there, but here the patient as a whole is adversely affected. Like in cases of angina, if you see patient is having severe chest pain, that may refer to his left arm, but he may have sweating or may have vomiting. So in this condition, he is affected generally. Then again in cases of epilepsy, trembling of whole body may be there. Sweating is also there in angina, acute angina we can say. So if we study this rubric seriously and see the remedies over there, na, you will see that stramonium is also there. So how stramonium will present in violent effects? So he may go mad. He may go mad due to pains. Then agar violency of remedies like belladonna and lysine is also both of these remedies are also there. Then you can see veratrum as next remedy in this rubric. So violent effects में क्या होगा कि जनरली परिणाम जो है, जैसे भी उसके अंदर आपको रेमेडी दिखेगा वेराट्रम अल्बम. तो वेराट्रम अल्बम में वॉमिटिंग, लूज मोशन, मतलब पानी जा जाके पेशेंट कोलैप्स कंडीशन में आपको दिखेगा. दिस इज़ द थिंग कि वो वायलेंट इफेक्ट हुआ है ड्यू टू लॉस ऑफ वाइटल फ्लूइड्स इन दिस केस. तो और बिसाइड सिमसेल में जो रहेगा, तो बिसाइड सिमसेल में पेशेंट एज अ होल जो है, तो पेशेंट एज अ होल वहाँ पे बीमार नहीं होगा, या उसको पूरे शरीर में उससे परिणाम नहीं हुआ रहेगा. So I hope I have tried my level best to differentiate and to compare both of these rubrics. Hope you will also use as like that only in your clinic, and let me know how are the results are going on after this understanding. Thank you all.